Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road Expansion update. They're going to be dailies. I don't think they're going to be dailies for much longer though. There's not a lot of change going on now since the roof come down. Well, when I say not a lot of change, there's change. There's change every day, but it's barely noticeable, if you like. It's just the inside where it's noticeable. So I'm going to start off. This guy's on a cherry picker here. I want to see what they're up to. I'll do there. Have you any ideas? I don't know what's going on. Oh yeah, so whatever that's called underneath there, let me get a still shot of it. Whatever that's called there's another piece just there, and it's going to go onto this bit here. Okay, I don't know what it's called, so bit of metal to go on. Right, going to come round to this side because the most frequently asked question at the moment is the gap. Well, two gaps actually. I'll go round the other side as well. Oh yeah, while I'm coming round here, the raffle that I'm doing for this seat that's on the screen now. Loads have had to go. Thank you so much for having a go. I think we raised £120 so far. Was the last count? Yeah, there's I think there's 26 people have had to go, but that means 43 entries. If you get me, so some people have had 5 goes, some people have had 1 go, some people have had 3 goes. Yeah, so thank you for everyone that's having a go. All I'm going to say is there's 3 people from outside the country, so I've had Canada, Germany, and Sweden. I've had to go. You may have to pay for shipping if it leaves the country. I'll pay for the shipping inside the UK. I'll cover that. It's just if I'm paying for the shipping, then it might not be worth doing the raffle, you know, if you know what I mean. So yeah, the shipping might be at your expense. Now if that's a problem, I'll refund your money. Okay, just let me know. I can't remember the names off the top of my head, but if you're from Canada, Sweden and Germany and you've had to go, you may have to cover the shipping, that's all, if it leaves the country. So anyone else from anywhere in the world, if you want to go with the raffle, which on the details are on the screen now of how to pay, it's £2 to go, and you pay it into my old football club PayPal account, which is merseykickers@hotmail.com. yeah, it's just that you'll have to pay for the shipping if it leaves the country, that's all. Anyone inside the UK, I will cover the shipping. Okay, but thank you to everyone that's had to go. It's been brilliant. I say £120 amazing. Between that and buy me a coffee, there's £240 raised so far towards the grassroots football. So yeah, amazing. Right, so people are asking about the gap here. This is going to be getting filled in, which has already been filled in so far, hasn't it? Yeah, so they've started filling it in. Oh, there's guys down here. So that'll be filled in and clad and put on top, I assume. So yeah, that's that. So I'll get in the air and come round. Don't want to lose signal for the drone, so keep the line of sight. Bit of a sunny day today. 100 metres in the air. Right, I cannot see a thing at the moment on the screen. I mean, yeah, look at all that now. Excellent work. That's almost out now, isn't it? That one block there, or 2 blocks, is one in the corner as well. What are you up to, mate? Oh, what are you all up to? There you go, I should have zoomed in a bit closer anyway, shouldn't I? Rubble sacks there. So that wall with the numbers on there, with the blue numbers on, that'll be getting taken out as well. So that truss just under it, that's going to be getting cut up and removed. And apparently there's a front truss as well. Is that red thing? Must be. That's going to be getting removed in sections. That's why there's going to be 40 lifts, because of all these different sections. It'll be getting cut up and removed. Okay. More breaking up on the pitch. How brown it looks. Okay. I can't wait to see that get taken up and replaced, as I've never seen that happen before, so that'll be good to get on video. What's this up to? Can't quite tell. Okay. Don't know why, but there's a million seagulls in the park here. Let me just show you on the. Well, there's me. See all the seagulls behind me here. I think I'm exaggerating when I say a million, but there's loads of them. That's a lot of seagulls, that. And there's me standing in the park like a billion mates. Okay, right. Let's get around this side now. I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but pitch it down a touch. Sorry for the jerkiness, guys. I just want to get round as fast as I can. And I apologise for that every time. So yeah, more cladding gone up there. Excellent work. It's all looking nice and neat. So we've got the brickwork to come round here as well, haven't we? Let's have a look down here. Oh, someone said about this red, I think it was this red tank. I looked at this. Can you message me again? Because I totally forgot what you said, but I think it was something important that you used to work with. So can you message me again about that red tank, or if anyone knows what that red tank is? I think it's something important, and I could be wrong. Okay. Right, I'm going to come down a touch, guys, and we'll have a good look along the back of the stand here. Let's switch that. Zoom in. And go, so the window frames are in. What's he doing there? Looks like a sniper. He's working on their frames, doing something any. Okay. Well, they're obviously working on the windows, aren't they? Yeah, we've covered those windows before, those red windows, the red sections anyway in the windows before. Okay. Let's just zoom out to touch and see. Let's have a look at the corporate area now. Let's see how that's looking. Can't really see much. That brickwork still hasn't come up, has it? It's been like that for a while. You know, just joining together there. Obviously, a reason behind it. They need to do something before they can. Well, they seem to be working on. Well, they're working on this one, getting that one up. Okay. Not a problem. Just go nice and slow, see if there's anything I can notice and zoom in on. They look as though they're ready to put that piece in there. That's talked about at the beginning. It sounds like a busy site today. You can hear loads going on. Okay. So we saw that brick washing the other day, didn't we, as well? There's another scissor lift down here. Let's see what they're up to. Discussing and trying to work out something, aren't they? Okay. As I said from day one, I am self-confessed know nothing about construction, so I don't even know what they could be talking about. That big yellow crane that's on the corner lift is almost down. Well, almost taken apart, because I saw a big section of it in the car park. Okay, right guys, I'm going to leave this here. No, I'm not. There's something going on the roof. Let me just get over there a bit higher. Let's stop there. Anyone have ideas what's going on there? No, I don't know. Painting maybe, I don't know. What's in them tubs? Not in this side. Okay. Right, thank you for watching, everyone. Just want to thank everyone for wishing Lynn a happy birthday. The mess that was on yesterday as well. You know, she's been through a tough time. Her and the family, apparently they were watching the video, and you know, there's some tears shed watching the video. So yeah, thank you everyone for wishing Lynn a happy birthday, and hope she had a great day yesterday. Right, thanks for watching everyone. As always, look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.